Okay, I have yet to check out the air cleaner since my very first carburetor cleaning, and that was at about 500 miles. But I added the second throttle spring. I haven't had any throttle sticking issues since. At least I haven't made any tar for it to stick with, and I also haven't had enough soot buildup for it to stick. But I have noticed lately I'm getting a bit of an irregular idle. I think I'm somewhere around probably 2,300 miles since I installed the Gassifier. So kind of want to take a peek and look inside, see how things are looking. I can definitely say there's some soot in there, just judging by the air cleaner bolt. Set that to the side. Oh, ooh, yeah, she's getting a little carboned up in there. Yummy. Holy cow. Look at that. That is interesting. I think I'm going to go straight for the shop vac. Yep, time to clean. Well, I guess that would go to show that I don't get into the secondaries very often. If you can look, if I can get the shadowing to quit. There we go. Look how deep that left barrel is versus how much soot is on top of that right barrel. Yeah, secondaries don't get open very often when I'm on wood gas. And I was even with, a week ago doing my 75-mile-an-hour run. I guess it just doesn't need all 4 barrels. Oh yeah, she's cleaning up now. Guess I need to get the primaries too. Definitely one thing about running a Gassifier, don't expect to stay clean. So she is cleaning up much more better, much better. See, the secondaries are nice and clean. Primaries still have a little bit of gunk. I'll go a little deeper, but I did find it interesting. See if I can get it on video here. Looking down inside of my wood gas valve, there's a chunk of char laying there. It's not a very big one. I mean, it's maybe the size of your pinky nail, but let's see, does the other one have any? Yeah, a couple little tiny pieces. Yeah, that motor breathes, and it's been running sweet. Doing a little more cleaning here. Okay, much air blowing and vacuuming. She's looking pretty clean. Give her a couple squirts of brake clean. Try and break the carbon down a bit. We're fired up on gasoline. See if we can clear the carbon off the valves. Neutral. That's the first cleaning of the carburetor, getting all the soot out. Running on wood gas, yeah, it's a little messy, but for the mileage, I can't complain about nothing. If I got to do that, let's see, I've been driving the truck almost every day for 2.5 months. I got to occasionally do that cleaning, no big deal. I will soon have to be looking at doing a intake manifold event, as they call it, burning out the intake. It's either that or pull the thing off, which burning it out sounds more entertaining. But I know there's a couple guys that have ran their trucks for, I think the longest I saw, somebody ran 6,000 miles before doing an intake cleaning. And if I can get that far, I should have saved plenty enough money in fuel costs to upgrade to fuel injection, which would make doing the burnout for the intake much better, much easier to do. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys.